Good morning, gentlemen and ladies. Today we're Saturday the 18th. This morning at 8 o'clock sharp, I went to buy some steel for the channel lock, so it will reinforce the middle piece of my installation. So today my plan is to cut these and weld it into the deck, my steel frame deck. All right. So cheers. Gentlemen, the weather today, it's in my garage under the shade, it's 25 degrees Celsius, but around 85% of humidity, and they calling for 31 32 Celsius today with 90% of humidity. So right here under the shade I am in business. So this is my weather report. All right. Under that welding leather, it ain't gonna be 25 degrees Celsius. It's gonna be nice, hot, and humid temperature.
First to fight for the right and to build the nation's might, and the army goes rolling along. Proud of all we have done, fighting till the battle's won, and the army goes rolling along. And it's high, high, hey, the army's on its way. Down off the games on its front. For wherever we go, you'll always know that the army goes rolling along.
So in my lesson learned video, so I cut a piece of that channel, all right. Then I cut a piece in the middle to incorporate the angle iron. So I'm gonna weld all around. So yeah, so just a cut in the middle like this. How I'm gonna reinforce the middle bar in the middle with this cross member. So I'm gonna cut a couple of these. The first one is lesson learned with my cutting disc for my grinder, but I'm going to use the one. I have to cut a little bit on the left and a little bit on the right, not cutting in the middle and cut left to right. The disc is flexed too much, so that's what I'm going to do. It's more precise using the big one than my handled grinder. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Alright, time to do some welding. So I'm going to put one in the middle, one on each side for the cross member, and then some arc welding. Alright. this time I'm using my little trusty welding buzz box. So it's my Lincoln AC25 arc welder. So let's have fun. Shall we? Good day, gentlemen and ladies. Well, yesterday on Sunday, I had a phone call from a friend who needed help. He had this big, you see that tree here? That's a 16-inch tree, was leading towards his house. So, so I kind of went to help him. Well, this is a day of work because it was not only one tree, but I had to cut 3 trees. So this is all the firewood that he did help me, but that's free wood for me. So it's all hardwood, and this maple. This is yellow birch. It's very strong wood. I was not able to to work on my deck, so I will go back inside my garage to continue that project. All right, cheers.